Next one is adoptive or imitative entrepreneurs. Adoptive or imitative. Adoptive means you're ready to adopt any invention which is already there by innovating entrepreneurs. Okay, so ready to adopt successful innovations. So you innovations are already available. You are going to adopt them, and it's not yours. You are going to already take and update, take and use something which is available already. Adoptive means you're going to take that. Imitative means using it exactly as it is. You are not going to do any change to that. Adoptive, colloquially, you can say copying, the same thing. But here they don't copy actually. The technology is available. You are going to take it and use it for your business by paying some money. That's all. So they're ready to adopt successful innovations inaugurated by innovative entrepreneurs. Already, the first class of people, they have some successful innovations. You are going to adopt them into your business. They do not innovate change themselves. As I said, they don't do any innovation to that. They just imitate or follow the techniques innovated by others. So they follow what is invented by others. Because they do not innovate anything by themselves. And this type of entrepreneurs are more suitable for developing countries because of deficiency of innovations. So in countries like India, we are called a developing country, right? So we have lot of now with the government giving so much funding for innovation and research. Relatively, we have a good amount of research. Otherwise, we are deficient of innovations and research. So these type of entrepreneurs are very very suitable for developing countries where you have acute shortage of innovation. So people in such developing countries prefer to follow the technology already available in developed regions. So you don't call it as copying. You just buy the technology from there and use it for yourself. Okay, so that is the type of adoptive or imitative entrepreneur. So see here the example is Chinese developers sold the touchscreen innovation with the addition to support two or more GSM SIM card at a very affordable price. It was developed by Chinese, a smartphone having the capacity to support two or more GSM connection. It was a innovation by a Chinese product company, and he sold that innovation to others so that everybody can use it. He also made money, and he also made sure that this invention is going to be reaching the entire world. So that is adoptive or imitative entrepreneurs. First and second are completely contrasting. First one is they always go for new thing, but second one they do not go for new thing. They always use the existing things developed by others. So that is the adoptive or imitative entrepreneurs. Adoptive means adopting already existing product. Imitative means just blindly following what is already available.